Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to buy Pepe Coin on Crypto.com. First, you will need to download the Crypto.com app, available on both Apple and Google Play stores. Once installed, proceed with creating your account. This involves a quick registration and identity verification, also known as KYC, which is crucial for security and to unlock all trading functionalities. Make sure your account is fully verified before moving to the next step. Next, you'll need to fund your Crypto.com account. You have several convenient options for this. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, directly from your bank account via a bank transfer, or instantly using a debit or credit card. Another option is to transfer existing cryptocurrency from another wallet you own. Always confirm your deposit has arrived before proceeding. Now that your account is funded, let's find Pepe Coin. From the Crypto.com app home screen, simply tap the Buy button. A search bar will appear. Type in Pepe or its ticker symbol, PEPE. Once it appears in the search results, tap on it. This will take you to the dedicated purchase screen for Pepe Coin, where you can see its current details. Finally, it's time to make your purchase. On the Pepe Coin purchase screen, enter the amount you want to buy, either in your local currency or as a specific number of Pepe tokens. Then, select your payment method, whether it's fiat currency from your wallet or another cryptocurrency you hold. Carefully review all the transaction details, including the amount and any fees, before confirming your order to complete the purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.